Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I am teaching you blue faded zebra nail step by step guide. A simple zebra print design with a twist create this beautiful faded look with any of your favorite colors. Let's move to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a silver nail polish. Let's talk about step number 2. Using a small piece of cosmetic sponge and some tweezers, apply a deep blue nail polish to your nails. Leave the top third of your nails mostly silver to create a transitional gradient effect. Step number 3. Dab on a darker blue nail polish using the same method, but this time focus on the tips of your nails. Step number 4. Using a Q-tip and a stone, remove any nail polish that landed on your skin. Step number 5. Using a thin nail art brush and black nail polish, create wavy lines starting at the top of your nail, moving down diagonally. Step number 6 and final step. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your design will be ready to go to serve any of your party. Hopefully you like today's my video. If you like my content and my video, please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to intimate first my video you guys. And hopefully you are enjoying my video. I am a nail art expert technician. I have a 10-year experience about the nail art. I teach you about the all nail art designs. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.